And the new tax regime was rolled out 3 years ago, but since then it has found less than 500,000 takers, or 10% of the taxpayers. Even the former Revenue Secretary Tarun Bajaj has said the new tax regime needs a complete overhaul. There is a big expectation that the government will revise tax slabs and try to make the new tax regime more attractive in the budget. Kanishka Sarkar is here with the details. Kanishka, why have there been only few takers?
In 2020, FMN announced optional new tax regime for individual taxpayers. Most experts say that 3 years on, there are hardly any takers, especially among those who earn above 10 lakh rupees. According to reports, less than 5 lakh people have opted for the new regime. Before we get to why, here's a quick recap of what the new tax regime is. It's supposed to be a simpler one that offers lower tax rates under 7 income slabs, but with no deductions and exemptions like the old one. The scheme offers lower tax rates with peak rate applicable to income of more than 15 lakh rupees. Here are the key differences. The new tax regime has 7 tax slabs and lower tax rates in the sub 15 lakh rupees range and no exemptions and deductions. Under the old regime, you had 3 slabs, exemptions like HRA, LTA, standard deduction, also deductions like PPF, ELSS and health insurance premium. Now, despite the lower tax rates, why haven't too many people chosen it over the old regime? Well, for one, there is no clear benefit of lower tax outflow with the new regime. People earning up to 15 lakh rupees can pay less tax with exemptions in the old regime. The old regime has lower tax flow with all the deductions as compared to the new policy. Also, the new regime does not provide deductions for social security savings. Experts say that the new tax regime must be incentivized in Budget 2023. One recommendation is to raise the tax slab to account for inflation, raise threshold from 2.5 lakh rupees, allow limited deductions on health insurance or housing, revise tax slab upwards, and do away with tax deductions. Let's see how and whether the Finance Minister will announce measures to make the new tax regime more attractive.
Right, and of course there is a big